gumbo, we start with the roux, equal parts oil and flour. So this is after about half an hour. You need to have it on low heat. You want it the color of chocolate. Like I said, needs about the time you drink 3 beers is when you're done with this. Take your time. Don't go on high heat because it'll burn and you won't be able to eat. You have to throw it away. Now, here's what you need for all this stuff. Number one, you need, this is the Trinity it's called. This is onion, celery, green pepper. For the spices, garlic, salt, pepper, green onion, cayenne, paprika, bay leaves, oregano, thyme. This is the sausage, slightly smoked sausage, slightly sauteed. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless, but you can use with bone. You just have to cook them a little longer. They actually taste better with bone. But I use the bone to make those stocks there. I have chicken stock and shrimp stock. And I also use shrimp. You need diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and that filet I showed you before. Remember, this is my version. There's a million combination of this. You can use fish with this. You don't have to use shrimp. You can use only no chicken. You can make it seafood. But you always want to put sausage and those other things. This is a combination of like a Creole and a Cajun because some people don't use tomatoes. But the Creole, they use tomatoes. So this is basically my version. But you can adjust it. Oh, I forgot. This is okra here. Bami probably in Lebanon are going to be smaller, but these are the red ones are called actually gumbo okra. And those are from my garden, but any okra will do. You also need this, I use extra long enriched rice, just any rice will do. Don't put sha'iri with it, just rice. And I make it with the chicken stock there. But you can make it also with water. Still going. It's not ready yet. Now remember, for the stock, you can also use whatever you buy from the store. But I make my own because all the bones and all the shrimp peel that I get, I make sauce out of them. This is not ready. Probably still need another 15 minutes. Hang in there. Alright, so I think it still needs to probably get a little darker, but I think for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and start it now. So the first thing we're going to put is first thing you want to add is the Trinity. And the next thing we're gonna put is these spices minus the green onion. I'm gonna try to do it here without. Anyway, all these will go in. Alright, so we added all these, we stir them, we're gonna saute them for a few minutes. Alright, so now we're going to add the sausage. Stir. Diced tomatoes. tomato sauce. Probably it's called tomato puree somewhere else. Stir. Alright, now we're gonna add the stock. I'm gonna add shrimp stock. It's frozen because I had it outside on the patio. It's fucking freezing outside. That was shrimp stock. This is chicken stock. Probably gonna need that other container still, but I'm gonna wait for it, see what happens, how it comes out before I add the third one. Okay, Habib. Now we're gonna let it boil. When it comes to boil, we're gonna add this chicken, and we're gonna let them cook for probably about half an hour. If you have chicken thighs, which I usually do, I'm probably gonna cook them at half an hour. Then remember, we're gonna add the okra the last 15 minutes. So with this one, probably we're gonna cook about 20 minutes, add the okra, and cook for a total of 30 minutes. And I'll come back later and show you where we're at. Okay, Habib. So this is what I do now. You can finish the whole meal, and then if you find this, that's what you can sprinkle at the end on top of the meal. That's what they do. What I usually do, I get a little bit of sauce from the pan, let it cool off for a little bit. If you need to, you can add a little water. And this is basically, it becomes like a thickening agent. It's almost like cornstarch. So you just mix it all together, and this is, you're gonna add it to the food when you take it off the heat, just to thicken it. And remember, this gumbo is always better the second day, not the first day. It's still cooking here. I'm gonna add the okra here in just a second. Rice is back there. So yes, always, if you want to make it, and make it the day before and eat the second day, it's much better, even the third day. Just like any curry or any stew or anything like that. Alright, HP, this is the last part. So this is the slurry. We're going to add it to the food. We're going to mix it. It's going to make it thicker. And we're going to add the shrimp. And shrimp, you put it just for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and you're done. And I'll show you the final product.